Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Meta Quest 3 to your Mac. First, open your MacBook and make sure it is connected to the internet. A stable Wi-Fi connection is important for this to work smoothly. Now open your browser and download the Meta Quest Remote Desktop app from the official Meta website. Once the download is complete, install the app on your Mac. After installing, open the app and log in using your Meta account. Make sure you use the same account that is logged into your Meta Quest 3 headset. This step is very important for the connection to work. Next, the app may ask for permissions such as screen recording or accessibility access. Go ahead and allow all the required permissions. Without these, the app will not be able to mirror your screen properly. Now move to your Meta Quest 3 headset and put it on. Make sure it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your MacBook. You should see a pop-up asking to connect to your computer. If you do not see this pop-up, go to the Devices or Add Computer section inside your headset. There, you will find your MacBook listed. Tap on it to start the connection. After a few seconds, your MacBook screen will appear inside your Meta Quest 3. You can now view your Mac directly from the headset. Thanks for watching.